This is the ice packing hopper for big capacity tube ice machines. It's made of a stainless steel 304, 100%. As you can see in this video, everything inside and outside is made of a stainless steel 304. The hopper is very big. About 1.5 tons of ice tubes can be kept inside. It's so huge. It's big like this. The bottom is like a W shape. This ice packing hopper is equipped with 2 screw conveyors. This is the ice outlet number 1, ice outlet number 2. And there are 2 foot switch to off and on the screw conveyors. And this is the control panel for the ice packing hopper. We use the foot switch to off and on the screw conveyor. Foot switch number 1. So the ice come out from this outlet. Foot switch number 2. Okay, and we can on them together. Okay, so this is all I want to show about my ice packing hopper for big capacity tube ice machines.